Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport overheating and the probable causes that may be associated with this condition across certain Ford EcoSport model years. Engine overheating in the Ford EcoSport generally refers to situations where engine temperature rises above normal operating levels, which may be indicated by a temperature gauge increase, warning indicator activation, or changes in engine performance. Verified technical information confirms that the cooling system is designed to regulate engine temperature through controlled coolant circulation, airflow management, and heat dissipation. When any part of this system does not operate within expected limits, overheating can occur. How this issue presents can vary depending on model year, engine configuration, cooling system design, mileage, and operating conditions. Documented information shows that overheating may be associated with reduced coolant circulation efficiency, airflow limitations affecting heat dissipation, or conditions that interfere with temperature regulation. In some configurations, components responsible for managing coolant flow or airflow through the radiator may influence how effectively heat is removed from the engine. Older generations may experience different contributing factors compared to newer models that use revised cooling layouts and electronically monitored temperature control strategies. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, climate conditions, driving habits, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on accurate inspection and may include verifying coolant level and condition, checking cooling system operation, and confirming that temperature regulation components function within expected ranges. These steps are general guidance only and are not guaranteed to resolve every situation. Overall, overheating in the Ford EcoSport is not caused by a single universal issue and can differ across years and engine configurations. Understanding general cooling system behavior can help guide awareness, but proper diagnosis remains essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.